Hey everyone, if you're looking for some gift ideas for that gardening person in your life or maybe something special for yourself, then you've come to the right place. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 12 of my favorite gardening items that I use myself and absolutely love. If this is your first time to my channel, my name is Tracy and I am a year-round gardener living on the prairies in Saskatchewan, Canada. So my list today includes a whole variety of items for both indoor and outdoor gardening, from essential tools to unique gadgets, all of which that I have personally used and highly recommend. So I have compiled all these items into a idea list that you will find on my Amazon storefront. So just click on the link below in the description box to check them all out. So let's dive into it. So first up on my list of gifts are these seed sprouting lids. And these are a great starter for anyone just wanting to get into the gardening game. Microgreens or sprouts are super nutritious, and growing them in these jars is so easy, even kids can do it. The ones I love to use here come in a set of two and fit perfectly on wide mouth mason jars. There are a whole variety of different sprouting seeds that you can try and grow in these jars, and in less than 7 days, you will have a big batch of delicious microgreens. Next up is something that is perfect for the indoor gardener is one of these deep water culture or DWC hydroponic systems. These are most commonly referred to as an AeroGarden, but there are many brands and many different price points of these systems now available on the market. I presently own four DWD systems and use them for growing lettuces, herbs, tomatoes, and even cucumbers. So they're great. They take up minimal space and are pretty much a set it and forget it system, perfect for beginner gardeners. Another indoor gardening must have that helps chase away those winter blues are grow lights. Again, these come in a whole variety and wide range of shapes, sizes, and price points. So, whether it's just a simple LED shop light or lights that are specifically designed for growing plants, you can use these pretty much anywhere in your home for growing succulents, vegetables, and flowers. And if you or someone you love are really wanting to dive into the world of indoor hydroponics, then my online course, Indoor Hydroponics for Beginners, is a one stop learning tool that will get you started on a fun and rewarding gardening hobby. So, my course consists of over 90 minutes of step by step tutorials, resource materials, and also includes a lifetime membership. So in this course, I take you step by step all the way from seed to harvest on how to set up your own hydroponic system in your home. I go through all the instructions on mixing nutrients and show you how to measure your EC and pH and take the confusion out of all of that, making this a really enjoyable hobby that you can really expand on. This is a hobby that I have been enjoying for over 4 years, and every year I learn to grow more. I've been doing tomatoes, cucumbers, strawberries, peppers. So be sure to click on the link below in the description box to find out more about my indoor hydroponics course for beginners. So I received a pair of these Watson gardening gloves as a gift a couple years ago, and I will never go back to using cheap gardening gloves. These are a game changer. The palms are made with water resistant, full grain goatskin leather and making them super durable and comfortable. So what's really cool about these gloves is the spandex back is made from 96% recycled plastic bottles. So one 500 ml bottle is used to make one pair of gloves. Get yourself a pair and you'll never go back to wearing cheap quality gloves again. The Hori Hori knife has become my favorite companion in my outdoor garden. I use this for weeding and digging, pruning, transplanting, and measuring and cutting. The sharp blade has a serrated edge and it includes a measurement ruler on it, so that helps you with proper planting depth. So this Japanese-inspired multi-purpose knife is built for versatility, making it a perfect multi-purpose garden hand tool. So, a garden kneeler is something that I just recently started using both in my indoor and outdoor gardening, and it has been a lifesaver for my knees and back. It works great for weeding in my outdoor garden and when I'm working in my indoor grow tent. So, it can be flipped over to double as a bench, and it's portable, it's lightweight, it's easy to fold and store away when not in use. So, if you or someone you know has mobility issues, using a garden kneeler can really help lessen the stress on your body while enjoying time in the garden. So, bringing birds into the yard is something that all gardeners must want to do. I enjoy having bird feeders going all year round. And this is a suet feeder that I recently added to my yard a couple years ago. I have mine located outside my window where during the winter I can enjoy watching chickadees and woodpeckers pecking away at some tasty seeds. And then, of course, once spring hits, you want to get a hummingbird feeder out in your yard and attract those hummingbirds. I have two or three of these also going in my yard all during the summer. This particular model here is one of the more affordable of bird feeders. I have some more expensive ones, but I find this particular model seems to attract more hummingbirds to it than any other. I'm not sure why, but it just seems to get most of the hummingbirds are seem to be really attracted to this brand and this style of hummingbird feeder. And I hang these up, and the hummingbirds are great to have in your garden, and of course they're wonderful to watch as well. So something else that I've had in my garden for the last few years, but I don't have any film footage of, is a bee house. So they're a wonderful addition to an outdoor space, and they attract those amazing beneficial insects to your garden and help pollinate your vegetables and flowers. I also have a bat house that I have hanging in my garden because they are great for getting mosquitoes and eating those pesky bugs. So these come in a lot of different designs and shapes and sizes that I think are really cool looking in your garden. So be sure to check them out in the link in the description box below. So grow bags are so versatile and take up minimal space, making them perfect for growing vegetables no matter where you live. And they come in a whole variety of sizes, making them suitable for those who may have limited outdoor growing space. So if you have somebody who thinks that they can't garden because they don't have enough space, then give them a few grow bags and get them going. I've grown tomatoes, herbs, squashes, and even potatoes in grow bags, all with great success. They're easy to move around, and it's perfect if you need to adjust your garden layout or just move them in and out of sunny locations. So I highly recommend grow bags. I absolutely love my raised garden beds, and raised bed gardening has become a very popular alternative to the traditional in ground method, and you can pretty much set these up anywhere. So, having an elevated garden space makes it easy to weed and maintain with less strain on your body. So here I am helping my daughter get her first garden set up. She was in a rental space, so this was something that we knew we could set up, and whenever she moved, we could easily take these garden beds with her. So these raised garden beds come in a whole range of prices, making it affordable for pretty much anyone. They also have a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, giving you endless design options for your garden. You will find links to some of my favorite companies that I have purchased raised garden beds in the description box below, as well as some options on my Amazon storefront. So hopefully you found my list of gardening tools and gadgets that I love to use and highly recommend helpful. And some of these will make a great gift for someone you know, or maybe for yourself. So as I said, you can check out all of these items that I just talked about in the link below on my Amazon storefront. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.